1. Language of computers. Chapter Focus. Language of computers. Levels of computer languages. Differences between compiler and interpreter. The language of computers is a specially programmed language that is used to communicate with a computer system. It is a language that the computer understands. It consists of various commands for the computer to follow and perform the task. Many different languages have been developed for the computers to perform different tasks. You know that the computer understands only the binary digits, that are zeros and ones, to perform various tasks. To make the computer understand a computer program, it can be written using only zeros and ones. The data can also be specified and represented using only zeros and ones. Such a program is called machine language program. Machine language was the first language developed in the evolution of computer programming languages. Computer directly understands a program written in the machine language. Even to this day, computers understand only the zeros and ones. The process of writing a computer program is called programming. The person who writes it is called the programmer. These programs are a set of words, symbols and codes. Some programs are developed for specific computers and for specific and business applications. There are two types of programming language. They are low-level language. Low-level language is a machine-friendly programming language that is machine-dependent. Hence, it runs only on one particular type of computer. Low-level language is high memory efficient. There are two types of low-level language. They are as follows. Machine language. The first type of computer language is machine language, which is also known as first generation language, 1GL. A machine language consists of numeric codes which are a string of binary digits, zeros and ones for operation that a particular computer can execute directly. A program written in machine language cannot be run on another type of computer. Advantages of machine language. Programs of machine language run very fast. No translation program is required to translate the code. Disadvantages of machine language. It is difficult to program in machine language. Programmer has to remember a lot of codes to write a program. Assembly language. The next level of development in the evolution of computer languages was the assembly language, which is also known as the second generation language, 2GL. Only the binary digits, that is, zeros and ones, were used in the machine language, whereas assembly languages uses mnemonics or symbolic instructions, alphanumeric symbols, in place of a sequence of zeros and ones. It includes commands such as MOV, move, ADD, add, and SUB, subtract. These commands perform basic operations such as moving values into memory registers and performing calculations. Because computers only understand machine code languages, assembly language can be converted to the machine language using an assembler. For example, to add A and B in a particular computer, assembly language uses the mnemonic add B in place of 10001111. Assembly language helps the programmers to write human-readable codes. Assembly language helps in providing full control of what task a computer is performing. Advantages of assembly language. It runs complex codes into simple ones. It requires less instructions. It can be modified easily. Disadvantages of assembly language. It takes a lot of time to write the codes. It is very complex to understand. High-level language. As compared to low-level language, High-level language makes programming much easier for the programmers. Sometimes abbreviated as HLL, it is closer to humans. In other words, it enables the development of a computer program in a much more user-friendly programming context and is not limited by the computer's hardware architecture. It is easier to understand as it is more like human language, as it enables programmers to write programs easily in common spoken language, that is, English. Since it is often machine independent, it can run on many different types of computers. The first high-level languages were introduced in 1950s. Today, they are in widespread use. However, for a computer to understand and run a program created with a high-level language, it must be converted into machine language by using a translator, which may be in the form of an interpreter or a compiler. Advantages of high-level language. High-level languages are machine-independent language. High-level languages are easy to learn. It is easy to delete errors in the code. Easier to maintain. Requires less amount of time to write programs. Provides higher level of abstraction. Disadvantages of high-level languages. It takes a lot of time for the translator to translate to machine code. It is slower as compared to low-level programs. They are generally less memory efficient. Categories of high-level programs are 1. Procedural language 2. Non-procedural language 3. Natural language. Procedural language. A procedural language is a computer programming language where the programmer writes instructions that tell the computer what to do and how to do it. So, in this way, it follows in order a set of commands. A procedural language is also called a third-generation language, 3GL. Procedural language makes use of functions, conditional statements, and variables to create programs, and it allows computer to calculate and show the result. Examples of procedural language are BASIC, COBOL, Fortran, Java, Pascal, etc. Non-procedural language. Non-procedural language is that computer language where the programmer has to specify only what to do and not how to do. As compared to procedural language, overall efficiency is low, and also the size of non-procedural language programs are small. A non-procedural language is called a fourth generation language, 4GL. Examples of non-procedural language are Visual Basic, Oracle, and Java, etc. Natural language. Natural language refers to human language such as English, with which one usually talks to a computer. Natural language, sometimes called fifth generation language, 5GL, is very easy to use and work with. Difference between low-level language and high-level language. Low-level language. High-level language. It is a machine-friendly language. It is a programmer-friendly language. This language is tough to understand. This language is easy to understand. It is complex to maintain. It is simple to maintain. It is non-portable. It is portable. It is complex to remove errors. It is simple to remove errors. Language translator. Language translator is a program that is used to translate high-level language to machine language. There are two types of translators. They are compilers and interpreters. Compiler. A compiler is a program that converts entire instructions into machine language so that they can be read and executed by a computer. Compiler displays the errors together for the whole program. It generates intermediate object codes. Interpreter. Interpreter is also a program that converts entire instructions into machine language, but It takes a single line or instruction at a time. Interpreter does not produce any intermediate object code, so it requires less memory. Interpreter also displays error of each line one by one. Points to remember. Computers understand only machine language. High-level language and low-level language are two types of programming language. Machine language and assembly language are two types of low-level language. Procedural language, non-procedural language, natural language are three types of high-level language.
A. Take the correct